In a world where change is the only constant, one person embarks on a transformative journey that will reshape their life forever. This is the story of Sarah, an ordinary individual who discovers the extraordinary power of embracing change. Cut to Sarah, a young woman sitting in her room, feeling dissatisfied and stuck in her routine. Sarah had always played it safe, following a predictable path in life, but deep down, she longed for something more, a life filled with purpose, adventure, and personal growth. Little did she know that her world was about to be turned upside down. Sarah scrolling through YouTube, watching motivational videos. One day, while aimlessly browsing the internet, Sarah stumbled upon a life-changing YouTube video titled, "The Power of Embracing Change." Cut to Sarah's facial expressions, captivated by the video. The video shared inspiring stories of individuals who had dared to step out of their comfort zones and take risks. It highlighted the incredible transformations they experienced as a result. Cut to Sarah's determined face, ready for change. Inspired and determined, Sarah decided to document her own personal journey of embracing change, with a camera in hand. She set out to explore the unknown and challenge herself in ways she never thought possible. Montage of Sarah trying new things, stepping out of her comfort zone, hiking, traveling, attending workshops, learning new skills, and meeting new people. As Sarah immersed herself in new experiences, she began to discover hidden passions, unlock dormant talents, and cultivate a newfound sense of self. Each adventure became a stepping stone towards personal growth and a catalyst for transformation. Sarah reflecting on her experiences, journaling and sharing her thoughts. Throughout her journey, Sarah encountered hurdles and setbacks, but she refused to let them define her. Instead, she embraced them as opportunities for growth, learning valuable lessons along the way. Cut to Sarah's face, filled with confidence and self-assurance. Sarah's YouTube videos became a source of inspiration for countless viewers who were inspired by her vulnerability, resilience, and unwavering determination to create a life of meaning and fulfillment. Sarah standing on a stage, giving a motivational speech. As her channel grew, Sarah found herself speaking at conferences and sharing her story with a wider audience. Her message resonated deeply with others who were yearning for change and looking for the courage to pursue their. Sarah, standing at the edge of a cliff, overlooking a breathtaking landscape. Today, Sarah's life is a testament to the incredible power of embracing change. What began as a personal journey transformed into a movement of individuals who refused to settle for mediocrity. Sarah smiling and embracing the beauty of life. Remember, it's never too late to embark on your own journey of self-discovery and change. Embrace the unknown, challenge your limits, and watch as your life unfolds in ways you never imagined.